Hello, not going to keep you long today. We're going to make these really beautiful chicken wings. We've got oyster sauce, soy sauce, fish sauce, bit of ketchup in there. Really, really easy. 1 pan less. Lovely stuff. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, straight in on this one. Really quite easy. You're going to need a kind of wok or a kind of large pan or something. In there I've got 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using corn oil. You can use a different oil if you want. Chicken wings. Here we go. Look, we've got 1 kg, that's 2.2 pound of wings. Now what I've done is, the wings come like that, I've cut them in half, you see. So we're just gonna simply pop them all in. And just at this stage, we're gonna add just salt and pepper. Fairly lively heat, as you can hear and see. And let's just get these moving for about 4 to 5 minutes. Stir often. Okay, so obviously not cooked all the way through yet, but they're on their way. We give them a nice little head start. We're going to go 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. We're going to go 1 tablespoon of ginger. Cut that into nice kind of little strips. 1 cup of sliced onions. Again, another 5 minutes, keep it moving. Really fabulous. Right, we're about to add 5 ingredients and then we're pretty much done. We're gonna go 1/4 cup of a light soy. 1/4 cup of tomato ketchup, 1/4 cup oyster sauce, 1/4 cup of water, and then some fish sauce, but just a few drops. You don't want a lot because it's very, very salty. Keep mixing this around about another 3 or 4 minutes. Really beautiful stuff, nice and easy. Job done, look at that. So easy, nice and sticky, really salty, delicious little wings there. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well, and I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.